Today, we will demonstrate how to connect the Phocos inverter with our BSL battery on site. Remove the bottom panel of the Phocos inverter. Connect the load live wire to the L port of AC output, and connect the load neutral wire to the N port of AC output. Connect the grid live wire to the L port of AC input, and connect the grid neutral wire to the N port of AC input. Connect the power lines between the battery and inverter, connecting the positive and negative poles. After connecting, install the bottom panel of the Phocos inverter and tighten the screws. Take the communication cable, connect one end to the RS-485 port of the battery, and the other end to the BMS port of the inverter. Take the communication cable between the battery and the computer, connect one end to the RS-232 port of the battery, and the other end to the USB port of the computer. Open the upper computer software. Click Open Serial, and start monitor. Enter password 123456 at the user prompt to gain access. Click on System Setting. Then click Read in Inverter Protocol Setting. Choose Phocos for 485 protocol, then click Write. After writing, click Read to check if the writing was successful. The 485 protocol is now selected as Phocos, indicating the write is complete. Turn on the grid switch and wait for the inverter to start. Turn on the battery switch. Set the dip switch to 1. Long press the inverter confirm button to enter the settings mode. In setting option 5, select RS-485 so that the battery can communicate with the inverter normally. If you need to adjust battery charging and discharging, go to option 1 to set the priority of the battery, solar, and grid. The process of connecting the Phocos inverter with our BSL battery is now complete. For more videos, please follow our channel. Welcome to watch.